Here we have our alignment fixture. What we're going to want to do is make sure you clean off both ends of your alignment fixture and your ram assembly. Make sure there's no dust, no dirt in there. Clean everything out really good. Just a little more white. And what you're going to want to do is install this with a gentle touch until it bottoms out into the bore, and install your retaining ring. Probably going to be a two-hand job. Then we can place all four of the 1032 half-inch screws, which should still have or have retained from either the ball screw or your roll screw assembly, into the flange, and just tighten them down to hand tight. Don't over torque them, don't overkill them. And also, just to add in, before we set this fixture on top, depending on which items that you've had, whether it be a ball screw or it be a roll screw, all your bolts should be installed and your rails underneath the ram, including any factory shims that were already installed in there. And just to run over the torque specs before I set this up here, what you're going to want to do is, on your side bolts here, if you have a roll screw, you're going to torque these first to 50 inch-pounds, and then the top to 150 after your bearings have been placed in. And if you have a ball screw, you will torque these to 25 inch-pounds and your tops to 150 after your bearings are set in. At this time, I'll set this up here and I'll show you how to place in the bearings.